Here I've got two videos, and to add a transition, the first way to do it is by going at the end of the first video, select it, click with the right button of the mouse, and apply the default transition. This will automatically add a transition between your two videos, and when I play it, we've got the slide transition. Then if you want to delete it, you simply select it and then hit on delete. But let's say that you want to add a different one. To do this, you can go up to those two arrows, click on them, and then go down to effects. From there, you're going to see all these folders, but we're going to go down to video transitions. And as you can see, we've got a lot to choose from. But in this case, I'll be using the slide transitions. And if you want to convert another transition into the default one, you simply select it and click with the right button of the mouse and choose set as default transition. Then I will apply the same transition, but this time I'm gonna take it and drop it between these two videos. Also, if you'd like to increase the duration, make sure that you select the transition, drag the right hand side to the right and the left hand side to the left. And if you want to decrease the duration, drag the right hand side to the left and left hand side to the right. Also, if you want to delete the transition, you can either click with the right button of the mouse and select clear, or simply hit delete. And lastly, the issue when you add transition between two clips but it stick only on one side, you can solve this by selecting the transition, go up to Effect Control panel, move down to Alignment and change Started Cut to Centered Cut. And as you can see, now the transition is between both clips, and when I play it, we've got the push transition. Also, if you want to find out how to export or nest and unnest clips in Premiere Pro, you can check these two videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.